nice. And my slotted mandrel, put on a piece of fine paper, and we're going to take it just one little step further. And guys, as you can see, that is real nice. Not many people's gonna have anything to say about that port at all. And what we have done here is we have slightly widened, slightly opened up, and made a nicer, more high flowing port in the end. Should make a little more power, and that's kind of what all this is about. Okay, so we can kind of get a look at what's going on there. Like the texture of a cat's tongue or the sandpaper, kind of all the way through. Pros are usually good about focusing up close as well. She's touched off. I've got a little mark. I'm not going to take much. About the same deal as if you were cutting a pop-up. Okay. Got that trimmed down. I tried to get some footage with the lathe. Supports, like I said, we're just gonna knock them down. I'm not gonna take them completely out, but you know, we're just gonna clean things up a little bit. But give you guys a look here before the windows. Hopefully you can see that little tip, we're going to call it, that was sticking up. So far, maybe you can tell what I've done, maybe not. Top side I've worked over, bottom side I've not really touched much, but we'll get that wrapped up and then we'll get to those windows. All it's doing is just lightly scuffing it in hopes to maybe give the oil something to ride along on if it makes sense to grab a hold of. I'll do a little more work off camera, but I'd say she's ready to clean up and get our wrist pin bearing oiled up and get the other OEM circlip back in it and call it quits on the piston. This is something you want to do anytime you're replacing rings, and this piston's spec'd out awesome. It fits that jug nice. A new piston probably wouldn't fit it no better. Kind of makes me wonder if maybe this top end had come off another saw at one point, or who knows, guys. This thing's as old as I am, and I ain't no spring chicken anymore. But yeah, just a piston ring in the groove, get it cleaned out. Alrighty guys, there's what the piston looks like. It cleaned up pretty good, not too shabby considering its age. But again, that thing did check out good. Your average person, if they pulled that down, probably wouldn't even know it was modified. You could go more, you could hog that stuff out more. I did lower those windows a little bit, not much. Anything I done was minimal. I always stick to that less is more approach, and you know what? Seems to go my way more times than it don't. Sometimes they go in easy, sometimes they don't. That pair of pliers is a little big, but you should always double and triple check and make sure that that little SOB is locked in there good, because you don't want to ruin hours and hours and hours worth of labor, which is what I've got into this so far, believe it or not, because you didn't double check a circlip, because a circlip failure will cause you a really bad day. Spend a lot of time on. It ain't gonna be a lot of time, but back to that double checking things. Just something you want to do. You don't want any burrs, which we didn't really grind on the exhaust roof.